Good morning. My name is Konstantin Weicht. I'm originally from Austria, Vienna, and I happen to live here in beautiful Hualien. I'm here an assistant professor at Tzu Chi University. I'm also the executive secretary for our Sustainable Development Center. I'm a father of two, I'm a husband, I'm a baker. So the first time I came to Taiwan, I stayed for 2 months. Then I got a scholarship to study Chinese. So I came here in 2010 and I stayed for 2 years. And then the third time I came here to live here. If you're married to somebody from a different culture, and having a child is a really, it changes your life. In Europe, you're pretty much on your own. Here in the Asian culture, Taiwanese culture is much more family thing. Sometimes you live with your parents or grandparents, everybody under one house. There's more people that can help. And we said, oh, that'd be something nice to have. And so we decided to move here. I knew there are 2 universities, Donghua and Tzu Chi, and I thought they will welcome me with open arms, this foreigner with his degree from England. Yeah, if you run a restaurant, you worried about your customers, what to offer. You know, you prepare all the food. Will the people come? Does it start to rain? Or maybe there's another event exactly in that day that you didn't know about, and everybody goes there because it's free food. Taiwanese are very curious, so when you open a shop, the first 2 months, you're busy because everybody comes and they want to see what you're doing. But it doesn't mean they accept what you do. So a lot of people came in and they just, 那个欧洲面包很硬. We had to make them understand this is different, and we're trying to make European bread. The bread that we make is probably better than most of the bread you can buy in Vienna now. Is it always accepted? No, so that's a challenge. But it's also fulfilling, and we have a lot of loyal customers, and that's great. Here I teach in the International College and at the International Service Industry Management program. We have a mix of local students and international students. And as part of their 4-year undergraduate program, in the 4th year they have to do an internship. And they can either do that outside with one of our partner companies, or they can do it here. So in our internship cafe, we try to do several things. One is it's a place for the students to do internship, but it's also a place for us to teach, take them out of the classroom and take them here. And the management-related courses that we teach, we don't teach them how to be chefs or how to be bakers, but we teach them how to run a small business, how to run a restaurant. And then you can teach them about human resource management, you can teach them about corporate social responsibility. For each class, there's something that we can teach here. And it's more enjoyable for the teachers, and it's more enjoyable for the students. When I came here, a foreigner was, you either open a restaurant or you're an English teacher. I meet some foreigners here who do other things. There are people who live here who just work remotely. We get quite a few people who are into software development from the States or Canada, and they live here. For this, you need to be established in what you do already. So starting a career as a foreigner here, I think is quite difficult. If you really follow that plan of 2030 to be a bilingual nation, then I think you have a lot of catching up to do, especially in Hualien. Less traffic lights, less AI parking. Struggled yesterday, parking in the city center, not knowing what to do. There's an aging population here in Hualien, so we need to find a way to get senior citizens, people like me, and the young people together in meaningful ways. So there need to be more meeting places.